Chennai received heavy rainfall with intermittent breaks for the whole night yesterday as well, and you could see the condition at various locations. This is one place in T Nagar market where water stagnation is present. People are still working, still struggling to move towards it. Several such locations are across the city. In fact, we've got information that nearly 200 such places are there. 2 subways have been closed as well. As per reports, the maximum amount of rainfall was received at Avadi, which is at the northern part, 20 centimeters, and at Nugambakam, the central part, it was around 10 centimeters, and at Meenambakam, it went up to 9 centimeters. In fact, 2 subways in Chennai was completely inundated and it has been closed, and we are at one present location as well. There you could see motors are used to actually remove the water from one such subway. This is the Madly subway. Even for the last rainfall as well, here there was water stagnation, and at this point currently it is completely filled with water as we speak, and this has been closed. This is a condition when it comes to Chennai at various locations. Officials claim that they are working round the clock to remove such water stagnations and are requesting the public to actually cooperate and not to venture out unnecessarily, because even for the next 48 hours, heavy rains are expected for Chennai. One trouble with water shortage in Chennai, the another is heavy rainfall. Unfortunately, it has become very clear that Chennai cannot handle heavy rainfall because it leads to water stagnation. In fact, we are currently standing outside Makkal Needhi Mayyam leader Kamal Hassan's office at Eldems Road. It's a shocking part because year after year, for each and every rain, this is a condition, water stagnation up to this level. In fact, this is what prompted him back in 2015 to enter a public life, and even after that, the situation seems to be extremely unfortunate even now. His office is currently inundated. There is so much water at this place, and several questions are being raised here as well. Now, Kamal is suffering from COVID-19, so he is in a hospital presently undergoing treatment, but his office is also underwater. That's the actual van which he used for his campaign, and he has been raising his voice time after time about management, stormwater drainage management, and various other questions about crores and crores of rupees that's being spent on it. And apparently now his office is inundated. And we're currently at Sitamal Colony at Chennai's Alvapet, a very prominent location, and situation does not seem to have improved at this part. After 24 hours of rain, people are struggling from this area. Water is up to the knee level. There you could see a family which is trying to block the water from entering the home using a plaque, and now they're trying to leave the home. Senior citizens, they also have a dog with them. They're trying to leave the place, and this is the condition at this spot. And unfortunately, this was the same condition back in a week ago as well. Even as we speak, boats are here which is trying to rescue people from this area. As we go further, the water level here goes up to the knee level, and the people here are raising concern about why is the stormwater drainage system not working here properly. Why is that this is turning into a huge situation. In fact, as we speak, a vehicle also is coming over to rescue the people at this point. Very unfortunate situation at a prominent location in Chennai. There you could see the people are coming back. This is Sitamal Colony, and unfortunately this is the present situation after 24 hours of rain in Chennai. With Vivian, Pramod Madhav for India Today.